Hi everybody, welcome back to Home Decorating with Liz. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my spring DIY. I will be making a wreath. So I'm going to get started, and if you're ready, let's get started, okay? Alrighty, the first thing we're going to be using are some flowers, of course. And I've got 3 small little bundles. I have a purple one, which is lilac. Isn't that pretty? I love that one. And I have some pink peach type color flowers. And I have some yellow roses. And then I have a 6 yards sheer ribbon, and it's the lilac purple color. And then I have my wreath, just it's not a small one, it's I'd say medium. And then, of course, you gotta have your glue gun. Alrighty, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, just stay tuned. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my sheer ribbon and I'm going to start applying a little bit glue to it. Actually, I should do the other side. Just a little bit so that you can attach it and glue it to this wreath. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to continuously wrap it around the wreath until, I'm not sure if I'm going to use the whole thing, but I might. Gotta let that dry just for a moment, so we don't want it coming apart. Takes a little while to wrap it around. You just have to be patient with it and keep going. Okay, so you're just going to keep wrapping this ribbon around here. I am using the entire ribbon. I didn't know if I was going to or not, but yeah, I decided I'd go ahead and do it. Maybe it'll look real nice like that. So I'm just about done. And then when I get to the end, I will just put some glue on it and keep it steady. And finally, I finished. Took a while. Just add some hot glue to it. Make sure that stays in place right here. And that's how it looks so far. I have the ribbon around the wreath just pretty much on one side, as you can see right here. And then this part is just the regular side. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my flowers. And I'm not sure what particular order I'm going to do, but we'll see what I'll do in just a second. Okay, I'm going to first start out with these flowers first because they are the biggest. And I'll just go ahead and apply a nice amount of glue around the stem. And this one here, I'm going to just place right in the smack dab center. And then I will keep applying glue to all the rest of them. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish up with applying all the flowers on the wreath, and I will be back with the final look. Well, this completes my spring DIY. I hope you guys like it. I hope you're inspired. I think it turned out really pretty. I love the colors, especially these purple ones. I think the purple ones are my favorite. And I think it looks really good, really good. Perfect for spring, and that should look real nice on my outside door. And I'll probably show you guys how it looks once I get it up there. Okay, well, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys give me a comment, give me a like, share the video if you like, and as always, you guys have a great day and be blessed. And I will talk to you guys later in my next video, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.